Hey, I'm Mike and welcome to Just a Tip Tuesday. Today, I'm gonna give you 3 tips to do the sushi roll, which is a kite loop inverted late back roll. So if you're already comfortable doing a late back roll, then you should definitely try this trick out. The sensation is epic and it's not much harder than a late back. So the trick is to pull your feet and knees up as you're approaching the top of your jump, whilst throwing your head past your back shoulder. You're basically trying to pull your body towards your backhand, following the kite loop as you go. If you're not feeling ready to rotate like this yet, then I suggest learning how to do a big back roll like this without a loop. You basically lift your board up to your lines and let it fall over your front shoulder whilst keeping the kite near 12 o'clock. It's almost the same movement as when you go for the sushi roll. I've noticed that we have a tendency to stop pulling the loop a bit too early with this trick, so I suggest holding the loop in a little bit longer than you would expect. You need to make sure that you keep your knees tucked right until the end of the rotation, so you don't get pulled out of the rotation like I did on this one. So to sum it up, pull your feet up and throw your head to follow the loop. 2, keep your knees tucked. And 3, pull the loop a little bit longer than you might expect. So guys, if you've enjoyed today's quick video, then be sure to subscribe to my channel. If you subscribe to my channel, your kite loops are twice as likely to catch you. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button right away. I also just want to take a moment to give a shout out to Vitia Bursuma, who I believe invented this trick and inspired all the Hood River Groms and myself to learn it as well. I know the trick looks scary, but honestly it's a lot easier than you think, and I wanted to do it for the longest time and it took me a while to pluck up the courage, and I wish I had just gone for it sooner. So guys, also if you love big air kiting, then I think you're gonna love this Just Send a Tee from bigairkite.com. Be sure to check it out using the link down below. Meow.